Why learn how to make Mardi Gras Jambalaya? Well, jambalaya is a fantastic choice for celebrating Mardi Gras. This classic Cajun Creole dish comes from Louisiana, and it's rich in flavor and tradition. Besides that, even when it's not Mardi Gras, this is a great comfort food you can serve all year round. Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. Soon it will be time for the biggest party of the year. That's right. Whether you call it Mardi Gras or Fat Tuesday, that's what we always called it here. This is the time to make a party favorite, one-pan jambalaya. To celebrate the great Mardi Gras tradition, the SFH Test Kitchen combined 2 jambalaya recipes from the Rachael Ray Show. We've just finished our methodical testing and tasting of this recipe, and I will not leave you hanging in suspense. The variation of Rachael's jambalaya turned out to be a truly fantastic dish. It has great flavor with that extra kick, and it's easy to make. What gives jambalaya that fantastic taste and great aroma? Well, the secret is in the ingredients. Rachael's jambalaya features a medley of delicious components, including chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, add body. Andouille sausage adds a distinctive smoky flavor, and shrimp provides a seafood twist. Bell peppers, onion, and celery make up the classic trinity of Cajun Creole cooking. Garlic, smoked Spanish paprika, and dried oregano are the flavor enhancers. Tomato paste, chicken stock, and crushed tomatoes create a rich, hearty base. Long grain white rice cooks to perfection without getting mushy. Lemon juice and fresh parsley brighten up the dish. So go ahead, whip up a batch of Mardi Gras jambalaya on your stovetop, and let the party begin with this flavorful dish. Are we ready for Mardi Gras? Let's give it a go and make some jambalaya. All right, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to put a little oil in the pan. Not too much, just fair amount, just to keep things from sticking. The first step in making this jambalaya, I'm going to add the chopped up boneless chicken thighs to the oil. And we're going to cook this probably about 5 minutes until it's browned. Season with salt and pepper. Add andouille sausage and saute another 4 minutes until browned. Now we're going to add what's called the trinity. It's onion, peppers, and celery. We'll cook this probably about 6 minutes or so, if I can get it all in the pan. There's a lot of it. Hey guys, are you coming over for dinner tonight? I think we're going to have a lot left over. Some pepper in here. I just love this great big old brazier. It is wonderful and it holds and so much stuff, and I just love cooking with it.
Okay.
All right, let's start putting in some of our seasonings. We're going to put in garlic first. Now we're going to put in smoked paprika or Spanish paprika. They say they're about the same, and this smells so good and smoky. And give it that wonderful flavor. Now we're going to add some oregano. And this oregano came from our herb garden, and at the end of the season we dehydrated it. Again, friends, I wish you were here in this kitchen. The smell just is wonderful. Add tomato paste and cook a couple of minutes more. Our next step is going to be adding 2 cups of chicken stock. I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And then we're going to add the rest of our seasonings, which will be a tablespoon or so of Old Bay. And last but not least, a couple of tablespoons of hot sauce. And it's, up to you whether you want to add hot sauce or not. But, I like my stuff kind of spicy. Here we go. You can always, put the hot sauce bottle on the table and let people add it themselves. Okay, let's get this bubbling. Right. Now we're going to add our jasmine long grain rice, which has been rinsed. Here we go. So I get this all stirred up, then I'll cover it and probably leave it on for about 20 minutes until the rice is cooked. All right, let's take this lid off and see what we've got here. Oh my, look at that. That looks delicious. All right. And our last steps are coming up. We're going to add our shrimp. And really, I'm just going to stir them in because, it doesn't take them but a minute to cook. And they'll be cooked with this, all this hot stuff. You know what? I want to thank Rachel Ray for this recipe. And I don't know if you guys ever knew Justin Wilson. His thing was, ooh, wee. And good old Emerald always loved Louisiana cooking. Let's kick it up a notch. All right, let's add these last few ingredients over here. We're going to do the garnish, which is going to be our green onions, our parsley, and lastly, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. All right, let's get this stirred up. And I also want to tell you, my friends, have a wonderful Mardi Gras and a wonderful Shrove Tuesday. And remember to have a holy Lent.
Into it.
Okay, let's give this jambalaya a taste. Let's see what we've got here. As usual, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. All right, are we ready? Here we go. Ooh, the spice is incredible. Oh my goodness. You're gonna love this one. Happy cooking. Friends, we at the Test Kitchen have great fun making these how-to cooking videos. If you like what we're doing here, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. Most of all, we do our best to give you the kind of cooking content you want. Your comments and input are priceless to us. Please keep them coming. They make our day just a little bit brighter. Happy cooking.